You can see we have a program programmed in here for program A. You can do B, C, D. Go back to A. You see we got is idling at 100C, so you see your analog gauge is around 100, your digital is reading 99. And what it's going to do is it's going to preheat for 2 seconds up to 150, then it's going to do a 3-second ramp to 325, stay there for 2 seconds, and then cool down to 250. I have a test fixture set up here where I have a heat bar with a E-type thermocouple and a firing switch right here. So what I'll do is I'll hit the switch. We're going to preheat, and it's going to ramp up to 325. 2 seconds, and then cool down. Once it hits 250, it beeps, lets you know the process is done. So again, I'll hit the test switch. Ramping up to 325. Once we're at 325, 2 seconds, it drops down below 250.